Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Okay, so this is a Leslie slow motor that came in from Virginia that I'm refurbishing, and when I received this motor, it was seized, wouldn't spin at all. But now look at this, I got it spinning, so you can hear it. Listen. So I'm gonna clean this up and reassemble it, and this motor is gonna work perfectly. I'll clean it up and lubricate it and oil it, and it'll be fine. It was missing a couple of parts, so I have the parts that needs to be added to this motor. Somebody had already tried to work on it or something, but then they didn't put it back together right. I'll take care of this in short order. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.